B by H is equal to mu is equal to mu naught into 1 plus I by H is equal to chi, susceptibility. Since B by H is equal to mu and I by H is equal to chi. Therefore, mu is equal to mu naught into 1 plus chi, mu by mu naught equal to 1 plus chi, mu by mu naught equal to mu r is equal to 1 plus chi. Is the relation between relative permeability and susceptibility. Okay, my dear students, I will explain some more problems, very simple problems. First one, example 1, a magnetizing field of 1600 ampere per meter. Remember this. A magnetizing field, unit is ampere per meter. Ampere per meter means it is capital H. Produces a magnetic flux of 2.4 into 10 power minus 5 Weber. Flux phi is equal to 2.4 into 10 power minus 5 Weber in a bar of cross section 0.2 centimeter square. Cross section A equal to 0.2 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Find the permeability and susceptibility of the bar. First one, mu is equal to B by H. B is also equal to phi by A into H. Phi by A into H. Substituting all these values. Phi is equal to 2.4 into 10 power minus 5. Area 0.2 into 10 power minus 4 into H is equal to 1600. On solving it, 7.5 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla meter per ampere. This is mu. And chi is equal to mu r minus 1. Why? Mu r is equal to 1 plus chi. Chi is equal to mu r minus 1. Mu r minus 1. Mu r is also mu by mu naught minus 1. Mu into 7.5 into 10 power minus 4 by 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 minus 1. Solving it, 596.1. This is the susceptibility. Example 1. Next one, second example. The magnetic moment of a magnet having mass 75 grams is 9 into 10 power minus 7 ampere meter square. Density of the material of the magnet is 7.5 into 10 cube kilogram per meter cube. Find the intensity of magnetization. Intensity of magnetization I is equal to capital M by V. Capital M by here volume is equal to mass by density. So capital M into rho by small m. Substituting all these values, and this is equivalent to 0.09 ampere per meter. Next, an iron bar of length 10 centimeters and diameter 2 centimeters is placed in a magnetic field of intensity 1000 ampere per meter with its length parallel to direction of the field. Determine the magnetic moment produced in the bar if permeability of material is 6.3 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla meter per ampere. L value, R value, H value, mu value. Magnetic moment M equal to I into V, I into pi r square into L. But you don't know the value of I. I is equal to chi into H. Chi is also equal to mu r minus 1. Mu r means mu by mu naught minus 1 into H. Substituting these values, 5 into 10 power 5. So M equal to I into pi r square into L. This is equivalent to 17.70 ampere meter square. Right? Okay. Again, some 3 or 4 models that is directly sent to your sent to the CAM scanner materials. Please follow that. Thank you.